Welcome to Let's Go Geography, Year 2. So here's a quick overview of Let's Go Geography on Year 2. I clicked into Year 2 Semester 1, and you'll see it's going to be split up into 2 different semesters. And check it out. Let's Go Geography also gives you classroom tips and suggested schedules. Because this curriculum is geared for K through 5th grade, she gives you 2 separate suggested schedules, as you can see here. One for grades K through 2 and one for grades 3 through 5. She breaks it down into just different time groups, but it's really whatever is best that fits your family for this geography curriculum. I really like that about this, how she gave us all the tools that we need to be successful in her program. Just click download where she indicates it, save them to your computer. I have mine ready for a month.